because of the mud cut.
Oh my God, you're stupid!
And he's a paramedic.
Before you hit a pedestrian.
Excuse me, driver. I saw you driving while using your mobile phone.
Catching you before you drift into oncoming traffic.
Have you been drinking tonight?
Catching you before you lose control of your vehicle.
So, do you know the speed limit along this road?
It's the lucky ones who get caught. Please, drive safe these holidays. TAC, another slice of...
You fucking bozo. That's what just happened. That dude just ran the red
My mum like always wins raffles. Shit. Fucking hell. Jesus. What the fuck? Oh my God. Oh, 200 miles.
A lot of drivers adjust to the...
Wait, that was red.
Shit, yeah. That was close.
That was close.
And he
What
did.
happened? That red?
No, that car there just went
Went through a red light.
There was no process of should I or shouldn't I. It was automatic and instant. I mean, no one gives a fuck about me what I have to deal with, right? God forbid they might say no or get annoyed or bothered by my intrusion. I wasn't methodically going through this internal...
Highway westbound just before Nicholson Road in Beckingham.
Got a plant problem? I'm Sabrina Hahn and I'm here to help. Tuesdays at 2:15 with Christine, Saturdays at 9 for Roots and Shoots with Rose.
Sure you can!
Fucking hell!
I'll have what she's having.
Who was, overdoses all around them, people, dying, devastating his community, and a lot of the pill bottles had this name, American Pain. And we were heading to the airport, and we're driving down 985 to head to the airport, and they start following us. And then I realize I have very little gas. So I stop at the gas station, and they stop right behind us, and they come out of the car. And these were big guys. And the day before, we'd been watching The Sopranos. So in my mind, they were coming out guns a-blazing, and they were going to kill us both. So I drove off.
Go on the bridge.
Because over the last 4 years, it's fluctuated around. And all I'm saying is, put me in a position where I can sit down with frontline workers and negotiate a fair outcome.
Eternity Road is a real road dipped in 24 karat gold or beautifully glazed. Gorgeous red roses and they last a lifetime. Presented in the leather display case.
Washing off. Back to the lady. Whoa! That was very cool.
Whoa, that poor guy over there.
Wow.
Oh, good.
Bloody Camry drivers.
All right.
Look, I'd say phase 3.
No.
Close, Bill. I'm glad you had a guess. It's worth having a guess, but no, it is phase 5. And all
Oh,
the
you
marbles
fucking
are
dickhead.
now. Phase 5.
Небо, что такое солнышко, что такое любовь? А ты меня любишь, ага. А ты со мной будешь, ага. Так будем
Fucking dickhead.
The new Allianz Stadium, despite the capacity being
Oh, this one's special.
and that's because of the modernisation of stadiums and trying to optimise the fans' experience.
2 kilometres. Here we go. Ah, so the copper didn't have a nice chat with you. And it wasn't good enough. You fucking retard. Sitting behind me, you had to go around and then barge in.
Around.
Turn right.
Yep.
Okay.
Looking around. That car didn't watch. That car didn't watch.
No. And I deliberately came that close because just to put the fear of God into them. Hey, unsecured load.
You dropped something there.
Right. Learn it. Know it. Live it.
Oh, Ishay! Last time I checked, that was a one-way street.
Adaptable.
Yeah. So adaptable.
I'm just like, no.
No, but the freeway's clear. No. No.
Oh, that was a
Oh,
red.
what an idiot.
Gosh, come. Stop. Stop. Jesus Christ.
Bottom one?
Oh, shit! You know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
has come, you will agree to stop being afraid, to do away with subtlety and call a spade a spade. We've passed the point when one can simply turn and look away. Stop being an arsehole. We've been politely sitting on the fence for far too long and burying our heads in the sand to pretend there's nothing wrong. Ignoring a rotten smell will never make it go away. Stop being an arsehole. We've reached the end of reasonable and sensible debate and must adjust the balance now before it is too late. Does every ill-informed moron deserve to have a say? Society won't progress while there are half-wits in the way. Immature privileged fuckwits do not recognise they're blessed, and when given half a chance they cannot help but make a mess. The grown-ups need to intervene and interrupt their play. Stop being an arsehole. Okay.
I think his suspension's gone weird shit.
I think he's forgot to pump it up, I think.
Yeah.
Has he got his steering?
I think he's put a few too many bricks in the boot. He's wandering all over the joint. Oh, I'll stick that one in the dash cams, I think.
Left-hand drive too, isn't it?
Yeah. Steering wheel on the wrong side of the car.
All for show.
Yeah, so the front suspension's extended max, that's why it's bouncing along.
That's right.
It was sitting low though before, it's come up. Because when you were sitting at the lights, it came down. Yeah, see?
Oh yeah.
He's fiddling with it.